big change from yesterday.
I know, not really swimming weather out there
not
today.
at all, just inside.
I know, we got a little bit of a tease yesterday for summer with all that sunshine, temps in the 70s, and today was I would say back to reality, but it's even colder than reality for a lot of us out there today, especially if you are areas in southern and western Maine. Temps barely got into the 50s, just got to 50 in Portland today, 51 in Wiscasset, 50 in Rockland. However, if you were in eastern and northern Maine today, you did get a little bit of a better day, and that has to do with where our front is located. We have a stationary front that's just off to our west, so that was able to throw some heavy clouds, a heavy deck of clouds, and a couple of showers to areas in western and southern Maine. But for most of the day, northern and eastern Maine had pretty clear skies, which allowed their temperatures to get into the 60s today, whereas here in western Maine we weren't able to. Now, at this point, we do have some showers moving into areas in northern Maine, particularly north of Rangeley and Greenville, and these are going to overspread much of the state through the next couple of hours. But earlier, we had a little thunderstorm actually go through areas just south of Portland. It's a little bit hard to see there, but you can see that little lightning bolt, so starting to get to be thunderstorm season once we get later into spring and summer. So over the next few hours, we're going to see those showers move out of the mountains and toward the rest of the state. Definitely once we get into Thursday, that's where we're going to see the most amount of rainfall here. So today, just some scattered showers throughout the rest of the evening. And then Wednesday overall is going to feel a bit like today, just minus the showers. So we aren't expecting any rain throughout the day tomorrow, but it is going to be a bit of a cloudy day. I think we could see a little bit more sunshine in areas in eastern Maine, kind of like how we saw today, but a lot of areas in western and southern Maine, once again, very cloudy out there. Maybe a few breaks late in the day right before the sun sets, but kind of another dreary day out there tomorrow. And then Thursday is the day of the week that we're going to see the most rainfall. So this is going to be in kind of another area of scattered showers moving through early Thursday morning, continuing throughout much of the day here. It's not going to be raining all day in any of the areas across the state, but it is going to be kind of just those scattered showers really throughout much of the afternoon. And then Friday is going to be a lot like Wednesday, where it dries out again, but once again, kind of just those thick clouds throughout much of the day, maybe a few peaks of sunshine. So Friday and Saturday are going to be some drier days because of this weak area of high pressure to our north. However, it's weak enough that we don't really get much sunshine associated with it, but it's able to push back this system here until late Sunday afternoon, where we'll see some yet more rain moving into the forecast. So Friday and Saturday, drier days, not particularly sunny, and then some more showers moving in late Sunday night into early Monday morning. So it's going to be a bit chilly this week, a lot of days below average, but once we get to the beginning of next week, chances for some high 60s and lower 70s like we saw for the day Monday, but again, it's kind of going to depend on where that front sets up. Water 44 degrees, sea was 1 feet. So in terms of our 7-day forecast, not the greatest week that we've got going on here. We've got lots of clouds and a bunch of days with some scattered showers. So Brian, looking forward to getting some sunshine a little bit later in the week and those temperatures increasing back into the 60s. So we'll take what we can get this week.
I was going to say, our peak into next week already looks much better.
I know, we're looking into the future.
Yes, very good, Dana. Thanks.